So I have for you a very quick Gucci sneakers unboxing. So this is how the box looks like, how they come. So this is like very nice box. The Gucci box inside. And the box is very nice and good quality. It's embossed, as you can see here, and it's good logo. So when we open it, we're supposed to have sneakers here, but I already unboxed them, so the sneakers should come in this dust bag. So there's a 2 dust bags, and I think that they can be hand stamped, so this stamp looks much darker than this one. In camera maybe it's not visible, but this is very like faded and this is more intense, but it doesn't matter. So we have spare laces, some instructions in different languages, and that's it. Yeah, so basically this is how the box looks like, and here we have sneakers. So this is like full white option. There is 2 or 3 different colors. So this is like full leather, and the sole is very like icy white, but the leather is more like cream and warm, warmer shade of white. So I don't know that you can just see it on a video. I don't think so. It's more like one color, but the laces and sole it's more like ice pure white, and the leather it's more creamy. So it's quite visible difference for me. I don't know that you can just notice this on the picture, on the movie. So yeah, inside we have Gucci made in Italy. Here there's Gucci. Yeah, that's the number 30, 37.5, I think, isn't it? Well, that's 37. Yeah, so the size is 37, and there's a few videos on the YouTube, and I wasn't sure about the sizing in the shoes. One person told that okay, just go for a half size up. Another one, full size up. I end up with the normal size. I'm usually UK 4, EU 37, so I went through for the 37, so it's UK 4, and they're still too big. We also have to take into consideration that this is full leather, so it's getting softer over time, but they're too long for me. So I will try them on and I will show you how they looks like on my feet. So maybe just one more thing. I'm just gonna measure the height of the sole. So it's 4.5, even almost, yeah, 4.5 centimeters, even slightly more here. So yeah, you can get extra high from these trainers, but they also looks a little bit chunky, and they're not very soft. They're actually very stiff leather, so they won't be as comfortable as other shoes probably at the beginning, but maybe over time they will soft and will be more comfortable. So let's try them on. So this is how they looks like from top view. They are quite big and chunky, and as I said, they are too big for me, so this is size 37, and my finger just ends somewhere here. And this is my Yeezy 350, and I've got them in size 4.5, so it's 37.5, I think so. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. And they're perfect on me, so you can just have a look how they looks like to the Yeezy shoes. So probably they're gonna look slightly better if they will be smaller. So I will just gonna recommend to go true to size, or just go half size down. But if you go half size down, probably they can be slightly small here. So it's very depends of, you know, how your feet are built. Is it your wider, thinner, or you know, everyone just have like different shape of it. So the best thing is to try them, or just order 2 sizes one time, or just order and return and exchange for different one. So yeah, that's how they looks like. And I will just put maybe on Yeezy shoes. So okay, so that will be comparison with my Yeezy. In real life, this one looks much whiter. Yeezy is more like cream, but I think that you can just see them both white. It's very like, this is warm white, the leather is warm white, this is like icy ice white. Oh, I think that the difference in the color will be visible just now. So this is very like very white cold white, and this is like warm white. Lace is cold white, and Yeezy bone warm white. You can also see this in comparison with my sock. So this is more like icy cold white. So yeah, and with Yeezy 37.5, so it's UK size 4.5. That this is the end of my thumb. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful for you. Give the thumbs up and maybe just leave a comment. And once again, I will just show you like this. And which one actually do you prefer? Yeezy or this Gucci trainers? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!